Hey guys, it's Dusk in North Forest. I haven't been on Star Stable in honestly 3 years, so I just felt like make another video to see if you guys still watch this. And it's been weird, honestly, like being on the app because I just forgot how everything works and everything's changed so much. And there's all these new horses and everything that have new features, and it's just really cool to see. I see they have the new Andalusian and so many other things and a bunch of new tag and whatnot, but I haven't been on the game in a long time. So since getting back on, I've just been kind of trying to like get my way back into it and like remember how everything works. So basically right now I'm just looking to see if there's any like new horses that I want to buy, and just for fun thought I'd get back into the game a little bit. So yeah. I completely forgot where everything is, and I'm just looking for the place where you whatever like transport. Yeah, okay, there's just a bunch of crazy weird stuff, but that's starting this game. So just bear with me while I'm looking for that. Even the controls have been weird getting back into, and yeah, but it's been fun, like getting back to my old account. And I recently opened up my old YouTube again and just wanted to see all of you guys' comments and whatnot. So I saw a lot of people saying to like make another video, and honestly those were a few years ago, so I wasn't sure like if you guys would even want it now, but obviously my horse is level 4. Like I came back expecting a bunch of to have a lot of horses that were like high in whatever levels, whatever it's called, but I guess I was just more into buying them than training them. And you know what? That's fine. It's just a game. These are cool though. I just don't know like what's good for what, like what's good for racing and what's good for whatever. So these Percherons look really cool though. As you'll see. Ooh, that's really pretty. There's a brownish one, dapple gray, the really pretty face. Obviously, this was my favorite horse. I remember when I was younger. These horses look really like stocky. It's interesting how much the graphics have improved on this game. Again, I still don't know how to like work my character. I know I want to get one of these Percheron, but I don't know which one out of these two. They're both so cool. I'm glad I still have some star coins to buy with. They're both so pretty. And I know I want to find something that I can use the new tack on. A lot of cool horses. I think I'm going to go with this one though. I made the mistake however long ago to say that I didn't care about the horse's name, and honestly, it's a game and obviously it doesn't particularly matter. But it's still fun, that's cute. So yeah, it's been fun. I haven't been gaming in a long time, and obviously this was such a fun game, and it's so cool to see how much the game has grown and become more professional, or not necessarily professional for the players, but how much better the graphics have become, how much more diverse it is with the landscaping and everything. It's really cool to see. Right now I'm just going to travel to my home stable so that I can transport to somewhere else to see if there's any other cool horses. Again, I've been trying to like research and look up what is popular, and I know there's some cool new Frisian animations. Pretty. Lusitano. Yeah, I haven't seen a lot of these, obviously, because I haven't been on the game. But, yep, River of Warm Blood. So this is the new animation, I'm guessing, of the first horses that we started with when you log into the game. I believe that the Lusitano you can do something cool with. There's just a lot of more diversity than when I played in the horses. Better gates and whatnot. I am gonna head over to Fort Pinto to see. Again, can't even remember how to move my horse, but that's okay. Anyways, honestly, I forgot how to pretty much do any kind of gaming. But I just wanted to see what would happen if I came back on. See if what everyone responded with, and yeah. Crescent Moon Village. Let's go to Fort Pinto. I think that the quests in this game are fun and leveling up. I don't even know how high the levels go now, but it'll be fun to see. I didn't even know there was Clydesdales. This one looks crazy. Very cool. Another Percheron. Looks like Arabian. Ripping there, Yarn of Warm Blood. Is that a fjord? Oh, very cool. Another Lusitano. But yeah. Clydesdale looks very cool. I honestly forgot which ones have stables. We'll look at Valadam. Again, if you guys find this boring or whatever, obviously that's totally fine. I just wanted to see what you guys thought about starting to make videos again and getting back into Star Stable, because it is such a cool game and there's so much new stuff that I haven't seen or done yet, so another fjord. Oh, gray fjords. So much detailing in the eyes. Wow, there's just so many crazy looking cool horses. So many to look at. Yorvik Wild Horse. To be honest, I don't know if these are like how these work, if they are things that stay for a while or if they're only certain times, but very cool. I think I'm probably gonna get one of them just in case. This one looks really cool. Or new blue. Eclipse, that's cool. And I have now seen, I forgot that there was a feature about selling horses. I had no idea that you could do that, so that's very cool. And I will have to definitely see that because it feels like I have quite a few horses that I could sell. Irish cobs are super pretty. I really like this one. I'm gonna do amber. Also, it seems that the terms and conditions and whatnot of being a Star Stable member, it looks like they've changed quite a bit. I could be wrong, but just from what I've seen. I remember the fjords were some of my favorites when I was into this game and had just been playing it. I thought they were so cool. Alright, let's go to another place. After these two are very cool. We'll do. And I think that the races are super fun in this game, so with free time, that'll be good to do. Alright. Now we're gonna go back to somewhere else if I can obviously find the trailer. I remember a lot of cool features about this game, and there's just so many more that I didn't ever get to see. And so, it's really cool to see now. I'm not sure where to go next. I haven't been to most of these places. I don't know where anything is anymore, obviously, because there's so many new areas and so many new things to see. But I will definitely be exploring more, and let me know if you guys would like to see any more videos. It's been super fun to catch back up and see the game again. Thanks so much.